In one of the Travel Channel's top 10 beaches in the world, welcome to the Eldorado Maroma. On the famous Maroma Beach in Mexico's Riviera Maya, the Eldorado Maroma, a beachfront resort, provides a secluded, enchanting setting for those looking to get away. This intimate resort with just 72 suites is perfect for romantic getaways, destination weddings, and sensational honeymoons. The Eldorado Maroma offers several unique dining experiences. You can enjoy fresh, irresistible Mexican and Caribbean dishes while taking in the incredible ocean views, savor Asian-inspired cuisine, and have a truly interactive dining experience. Looking for a more intimate dining experience? Visit the resort's most popular restaurant and enjoy creative interpretations of traditional cuisine from Italy, 5-star service, and a romantic ambiance. Facing the stunning Maroma Beach, the Eldorado Maroma offers stunning ocean views from almost every suite. With rooms that are luxurious inside and out, these suites were made for the perfect romantic escape. Each air-conditioned suite includes a ceiling fan, mini bar, and canopy bed, among other amenities. Select suites also offer a private outdoor shower, access to a lazy river that connects to the main pool, and in-suite jacuzzi. The Eldorado Maroma will delight even the most adventurous souls. Day and night you will find plenty of activities, including live music and shows and water sports. There are 2 freshwater pools and a lazy river that connects to the main pool. Active guests can enjoy the fitness center or take an outdoor yoga class. Non-motorized options include paddle boating, kayaking, and snorkeling. An enticing and romantic retreat, the Eldorado Maroma combines an incredible level of service with luxurious accommodations for romantic escapes, a fairy tale wedding, an unforgettable honeymoon, or a beautiful anniversary.